Hey guys, it's Nick with Brinkley RV, here to show you guys some of the hidden features on the Model Z. Alright guys, as we get in here, we look through the pass-through here. One thing I like to note is this is going to be heated, or it's insulated pass-through as well as the rear. The one thing you notice is you do have an outdoor stereo system here, but the one thing you don't see on our sidewalls is no speakers. So when you set up your Bluetooth for your music, you'll notice that you'll hear music underneath your door here as the speakers are mounted underneath so they're not on your sidewall. All right, one little sleek thing that you may not notice because it's hidden very well, but you have a tie down right here. You can use it for your pet leash or you can use it for security to tie down, lock your bikes or kayaks. Inside here you'll notice that we have a recessed battery bank. The dealership will work with you on your batteries as the Model Z lineup does not come with any battery standard. We have our generator wiring accessories here and it's inverter prepped. For more information on the inverter prep and the generator wiring, go to our owner's hub and follow the videos on there. Okay, while we're talking about your slide outs, a couple things you may not know. These are fully laminated, which gives you the opportunity to be up on top of your slide out. You can walk up there if you want to clean off the top of your slide out, you can be up on top. The other thing that we like to point out is that we are prepped for slide toppers. So you notice that rail up there, so you can add slide toppers to your Model Z. The other thing that you may not know about is we do have a spare tire. And this right here will get you access into your spare tire underneath. For additional information, please refer to your manual or the owner's hub. All right, now that we're inside the coach, I'm going to show you the silverware drawer that's kind of hidden underneath the dinette table. Most people put their silverware here, but you could also put some shooters if you wanted to. Up top, we have the WineGuard 360. You can purchase the gateway for an additional cost, sold separately for Wi-Fi. All right, inside this pantry door here, we have your adjustable shelves. So you take out the screws, you lift up, pull out, and you can move your shelves and have different heights if you'd like. The one thing that most people don't notice is underneath here we have a wire chase that goes up from your roof, comes all the way down to your basement. So if you like any add-ons, Brinkley is giving you the opportunity to add anything into this unit that you want without having to go through the roof or the sidewalls. You can run right through that wire chase. So we have our doggy dishes underneath. So it has to be collapsed to get it through, but you can pop them out. You can take them inside or out. And it's hidden underneath. In addition to the island, talking about pet friendly, we don't have any vents in the living room floor. It's built in underneath your island, so you don't have to worry about dog hair collecting in your vents. They're all built in underneath, nice and tight, so you don't have to worry about that or step on them. Right here we have our built-in spice rack, which is removable. Comes here. Take it out. If you don't want it, get rid of it. If you like it, it's built in. One thing at Brinkley is we try to utilize all of our storage possible in these units. So one thing a lot of people notice is they can't get this door open. It takes two hands. We have strong magnets, so you pull tight. We also have storage in here as well. More storage is going to be on the side of your couch. We have storage on both sides of the couch. Use your fingers to pull those up. Plenty of storage here. And you'll also notice you have pop-ups on each side of the couch that have outlets with USBs and USB-Cs. One thing you notice that we've done with the Model Z lineup is we do have a cordless vacuum prep. This is the 3100 that we're standing in. It will vary based on the floor plan that you have, but on the 3100 it'll be inside your closet. You can utilize a magnet to find the backer to install your cordless vacuum. As well as the 2900, it'll be in the pantry by the steps, and with other floor plans it will vary where it's going to be located. If the floor plan that you pick comes with a dresser, you will have a slider top on top here. You have handles right underneath it that slides on these guides here. You have hidden storage on top. The other thing that we've done is we have an aftermarket bifold dresser top that you can put inside here that you will make a full desktop so you can utilize it for a computer station.